Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to download and set up CapCut on PC. To do this, just go to CapCut.com. CapCut.com. Click on the first link and just go for download. Click on download and it will start downloading. So download is complete. So let's just install it now. To install it, double click on it or right click on it and go for installation. I will double click on it, select yes, and it is installing. But I have already installed it in my PC, so I will not install it once again. This is my CapCut. Double click on it. Just sign in here, otherwise watermark will not remove. To check the version, just go to the setting option here, click on setting and check the version if it is updated or not. If it is not updated, just click on check for updates. It will show if it is updated or not. Here you can see current is the latest version, so I don't need to update. Thank you so much for watching. Give a like and subscribe the channel for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.